Alright, so we've got a crafty little project today. We've got some 2-part resin. This mixes at a 1-to-1 ratio. And I have a key. That key goes to my lawnmower. When it was new, it had a fairly large black plastic head onto it, which has broken off over time, and decided to coat that head in some resin. I'm going to dye that resin a dark blue and see how it goes. Alright, so we have our resin thoroughly mixed and dyed blue. You do have to spend a few minutes mixing the 2-part epoxy together to make sure that it's thoroughly mixed. And you've also got to be careful when you're mixing it that you don't go too fast in your mixing motions or you put too many air bubbles into it. But we're just going to come over here and we're going to pour that right in on the head of the key. Like so.
That should be good.
And then, after this, we let it sit for 6 to 8 hours for the resin to fully set up, and then we check it out. And after letting it sit, we have our nice, newly protected key. We took a green heart-shaped piece that we had created previously separately and put it in on top of the blue that you saw us pouring so that the two fused together and the key is locked nicely inside. Alright.